Back to Robinson on the right foot. Get past his man. Robinson. Robinson. Done by the youngster. And as I say, it's really impressive to watch.
Good afternoon, welcome to MG Sports. I'm John Stewart. The Jamaica Under-17 Elite Competition will resume its fourth game week this Saturday as Kingston Football Academy look to continue their great run of form as they picked up their first victory of the tournament last week. They'll be taking on Montego United in the day's first game. In the game shortly after, it features a top-of-the-table affair as Mount Pleasant Academy will be taking on Harbour. Both teams currently sit top of the table with 9 points and have been very convincing in their victories thus far. However, goal scorer and potential man of the match last week, Jaheim Douglas, will most likely miss the game due to a red card that he picked up at the end of last week's game. In the day's last game, Cavalier will be taking on Ballers Academy. Both teams are currently winless, and Ballers Academy currently reside at the bottom of the table with no points thus far.